pirate crew sails the seas for treasure and rum, led by a captain who's never glum. The options are A. Treasure Island, B. Pirates of the Caribbean, C. Hook. The correct answer is Pirates of the Caribbean. A boy's house flies with balloons, landing in strange lands with colorful tunes. The options are A. Coco, B. Up, C. Mona. The correct answer is Up. A hero in black, with gadgets galore, fights crime in Gotham, but craves no more. What movie? The options are A. Batman Begins, B. The Dark Knight, C. Spider-Man. The correct answer is The Dark Knight. At a magical school, a boy with glasses fights dark lords, using spells and friendship. The options are A. Percy Jackson, B. Harry Potter, C. Fantastic Beasts. The correct answer is Harry Potter. Dinosaurs roam in a theme park, but things go wrong when it gets dark. The options are A. Ice Age, B. Jurassic Park, C. King Kong. The correct answer is Jurassic Park. A cheerful nanny with a flying umbrella helps a family rediscover joy. The options are A. Mary Poppins, B. Nanny McPhee, C. Bedknobs and Broomsticks. The correct answer is Mary Poppins. A boxer from Philly trains against the odds, running up steps and defying the gods. What movie? The options are A. Creed, B. $1 Million Baby, C. Rocky. The correct answer is Rocky. A superhero family hides in plain sight but must save the world from a villain's might. The options are A. Fantastic Four, B. The Incredibles, C. Big Hero 6. The correct answer is The Incredibles. A man wakes to relive the same day until he learns life's better another way. What movie? The options are A. Groundhog Day, B. Inception, C. Edge of Tomorrow. The correct answer is Groundhog Day. A girl follows a yellow brick road with friends to meet a wizard who might not know. The options are A. Alice in Wonderland, B. The Wizard of Oz, C. Tangled. The correct answer is The Wizard of Oz. A young hobbit with a powerful ring journeys with friends through battles that sting. What movie? The options are A. The Hobbit, B. Chronicles of Narnia, C. Lord of the Rings. The correct answer is Lord of the Rings. A man in shades dodges bullets with ease in a world where machines bring humans to their knees. What movie? The options are A. The Matrix, B. Inception, C. Blade Runner. The correct answer is The Matrix. A soldier storms Normandy's shore, searching for one lost brother in war. What movie? The options are A. 1917, B. Hacksaw Ridge, C. Saving Private Ryan. The correct answer is Saving Private Ryan. A young lion runs away, then returns to reclaim his throne with courage. The options are A. The Lion King, B. Jungle Book, C. Tarzan. The correct answer is The Lion King. A clever thief pulls off a con with 11 men and a brilliant plan. What movie? The options are A. Ocean's 11, B. The Italian Job, C. Now You See Me. The correct answer is Ocean's 11. Two sisters step into a wardrobe and discover a magical winter kingdom. The options are A. Alice Through the Looking Glass, B. The Chronicles of Narnia, C. Stardust. The correct answer is The Chronicles of Narnia. A green ogre, a donkey, and a princess go on hilarious adventures. The options are A. Shrek, B. Tangled, C. Hercules. The correct answer is Shrek. A young lawyer faces his fear when a colonel shouts, "You can't handle the truth," loud and clear. What movie? The options are A. The Firm, B. A Few Good Men, C. Philadelphia. The correct answer is A Few Good Men. A young warrior joins forces with a dragon to save China from the Huns. The options are A. Mulan, B. Mona, C. Raya and the Last Dragon. The correct answer is Mulan. An archaeologist with whip in hand adventures through deserts and ancient lands. What movie? The options are A. The Mummy, B. Indiana Jones, C. National Treasure. The correct answer is Indiana Jones. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.